In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a dragon. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, be sure to follow the link in the description below, where you can find still images that you can draw along with. We're going to start the drawing of a dragon by defining the body and the neck. First, draw the main shape of the body by drawing a tilted oval. Next, add a couple of organic shapes on top of the oval to indicate the neck of the dragon. Don't forget to draw lightly at the beginning of your drawing. As you progress through the drawing, you can get darker with your marks. Now add another oval on top of the neck for the head. Draw a line to indicate the snout of the dragon. Also draw a few lines to define the wing of the dragon. Add a rounded line near the end of the dragon to make the body feel more natural. Draw a few organic shapes to represent the arms of the dragon. Each segment of the arm should be defined with a different organic shape. You should be able to see the dragon at the end of this step. Add an eye to the dragon, a bottom jaw, and a line to indicate the tongue. Add a few more lines to the wing to make it more interesting. Now draw an oval that overlaps the end of the dragon. This oval will be the rear right leg. Go ahead and draw the shapes for the claws in this step as well. If you want your dragon to have horns, be sure to add them in this step. Begin this step of the drawing by drawing a line to indicate the ending of the wing. Each line that you drew earlier should be the ending of a curve. Draw a line that curves down from the middle of the body of the dragon. Finish off the mouth and add a line above the eye to indicate the eyebrow region. Finish the bottom of the rear leg by adding lines like the one in the picture. You may also want to define a surface that the dragon is sitting on, like the one that I have in this picture. Now you have enough information in your sketch to finish the drawing. Add the illusion of scales by drawing squiggly lines. Darken up the outlines in your drawing. Be sure to let some of the lines be thicker than others in order to create some variety. Add some shadowing in the drawing to create the illusion of form. And every dragon has a tail, so be sure to add one here too.